In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis in Google Sheets. Incorporating emojis can bring a touch of fun and clarity to your spreadsheets, making data more engaging and visually appealing. Whether you're managing a project, organizing events, or just exploring ways to enhance your spreadsheets, emojis can be a great addition. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open a Google Sheet where you'd like to use emojis. You can create a new sheet or use an existing one, depending on your needs. Once you have your Google Sheet ready, navigate to the range where you'd like to apply the emojis. For illustration, we are using cells B2 to B5. Highlight these cells to indicate where you want to include your emojis. Next, move your cursor up to the top menu and click on Data. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From these options, choose Data Validation. Selecting this feature allows us to set various rules and criteria for our chosen cells. In the Data Validation pop-up, click on plus Add Rule to begin customizing this range of cells. As you set up your data validation, you'll see a criteria section. Here, you'll want to choose drop-down from a range. This allows you to create a selection of items, in this case emojis, that users can choose from. Now, when you click on Select Data Range, you'll be prompted to choose where these options come from. To specify your range, click on Sheet 2. This is where our list of emojis is stored. Once you've switched to Sheet 2, highlight the range from A2 to A5, which contains the emojis or symbols you wish to include. With this range selected, go ahead and click OK. This attaches your emojis to the drop-down menu in the previously highlighted cells on the original sheet. Then, return to Sheet 1 by clicking on its tab. Now that you've set everything up, you can see how it all looks. In cell B2, click into the drop-down menu that you've created. You'll see a list of emojis or symbols you can select from. Click on the emoji of your choice, such as the smiley face, and see it appear in your cell. And there you have it. Now you've successfully added a bit of emoji flair to your Google Sheets. This is a simple yet effective way to make your data more engaging and interactive. Whether for visual cues, to brighten up your data sets, or purely for fun, using emojis within Google Sheets can transform a mundane spreadsheet into something that's easier and more enjoyable to read. Thanks for watching, and happy emojiing!